All right, you guys, so here goes the cabin air filter right here. Removes harmful airborne contaminant. Okay, there you go. Clean and dirty. Our car will smell good again.
The top and bottom, and then you squeeze in everything else.
But since we discovered she has sensitive skin, we've been playing detective too.
We thought the problem was our
And we're good to go. And that's all the stuff that she got out of there from that old one. So she had bugs, leaves, and all types of stuff. So clean your cabin air filter, you guys. Located right here. Right? You can see the slot right here. And she's gonna put one of those dryer filters on here. She wants the car to smell good. So she's gonna come up with her own concoction on that. All right, everyone. So we have the cabin air filter right here, and my wife put these dryer sheets in here. So I don't know if y'all do this inside of your house, but you can put this on the filter inside your house, make your house smell good. Now we're gonna make our car smell good.
Want me to hold it while you do it?
Now we're ready to put this in. Wait.
You sure it's the right way?
No, it says this side up.
Okay.
Right there.
Gotcha.
All right, that side up, and it fits perfect.
No clip.
Hold up. Wire harness. All right, and it's in, you guys, and that's it. We're gonna make our car smell good again. Any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.